Right. Some mandatory fun was scheduled, and now we want one big list to see who attended. Yeah, mandatory fun, like the time I was in the Navy and the captain paid for a band to come play on the ship. And he didn't want to be embarrassed if nobody came. So nobody could leave the ship. We all had to be there for this mandatory fun. All right. How are we going to get these two data sets stacked up? We're going to append them. Now, look, we've got session 1, session 2, big list. We start by making queries. All right. First data set. Cursor there. All right. Data from table/range. There's a data, and we call it list 1. Close this a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to close and load this as a connection only. Only create connection. Okay. Then session 2 from table/range. And this is the query called list 2. Then I'm going to close and load this as a connection only. Only create connection. Okay. Now, one thing to notice about these data sets is for name in session 1, there's also name in session 2, and then department and department. Those are what's important. Those headers need to be the same so that they get matched up. Let's do it. Get data. Combine queries. Append. We've got 2 tables. Which one do we want on top, or which is going to be our primary table? Let's put number 2 on top. And then number 1. Okay. Look at that. It's all stacked up. All of the names are in the first column, and then all of the departments are in the 4th column. And where we don't have information for that list 1, all of those values are null. And then what we can do is sort this. Great. We got our big list. Let's close and load it. Now we see who cooperated with the mandatory fun.